is Tia. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I just wanted to do a little makeup tutorial basically on how I wear my makeup now. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, this is basically how I do it. This is my everyday simple makeup. Now, depending on the event or what I need to do my makeup for, I will do more than what I normally do, but this is just going to be something simple and easy. Now, everything I'm going to use, or everything I'm using today, will be listed below. I'll try my best as long as it's still available, but I'll at least list what I used. Of course, every good makeup application starts with really good skincare. I'm going to turn that down. Every good makeup application starts with good skincare, and I've already done my skincare for today. I, of course, applied my sunscreen. If you guys want to see my skincare routine, just let me know. But today we're going to start off with our primer. Now, I don't wear primer all the time when I do my makeup just because I don't really go out a lot of places. So honestly, when I do my makeup, it's mainly for videos or content. But we're going to do a primer today. And I love this primer. I have been using this primer for years, and it's given me great results whenever I wear it. You know, I started wearing my makeup this way because, one, like I said, I don't go a lot of places. I work from home for my 9 to 5. I am now a mom, or a peanut mom, for almost 5 years, but you know, my life has changed, so things change. This is just easy for me to do and better for my skin. Easier on my skin, you know, instead of having to wear all the makeup all the time that I used to. So yeah, this is what I do, and it works for me. So I'm gonna let that kind of sit on my skin, and we'll go ahead and do my eyebrows. Everything, got in my mirror. Everything that I am using today, I have been using for forever. The only thing that's new this year will be my concealer and the lip gloss I use. Although I've been using that lip gloss. It's the Fenty lip gloss. It's the Heat in hot chocolate. It's just I just started using that one, but I've of course used the OG Gloss Bomb. I think that's what it's called, right? The OG first one she came out with. I've been using these products for years, and they work for me. I'm the type of person, when I find something that works, I stick with it. Okay, eyebrows are done. I think I'm okay with starting to apply my face. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me get some more concealer. Again, I am not a makeup artist at all. I'm not like a makeup guru. I do like makeup. I love the craft and all of that. But this is just what I do, and it works for me. Now, usually I'll add a little bit of a lighter color along with this concealer, because I use this concealer mainly for my under eye and like my discoloration or my mouth, but I don't have any more, so I have to restock on that. I use like the e.l.f. There we go. I use the e.l.f. concealer along with the Juvia's Plays, and it works really good for me. Not all the time do I wear eyeshadow, but when I do, this is one of the eyeshadow palettes I use. I've had this forever, so I don't even know if they still have this. Again, like I said, I'll list the products that I use, and I'll try to find links to attach in the description box, but at least you guys can know what I use. I'm using this one right here. That's what I'm using. I've talked about this powder before my like my social media, so I'll link the video down below so you guys can know about it, more about it, and why I love it. So I'm not looking for like 100% coverage. I'm just looking for kind of even skin tone as much as possible without putting on too much makeup if I'm just wanting to do an everyday look, right? And eventually it kind of just, as it sits longer, it just smooths out and just really matches with each other. This is where you see my hyperpigmentation from my acne over the years. It's stronger on this side. Oh, I forgot my cat is in here. It's stronger on this side right here. But over the years, I've gotten used to it. That's my skin. This is what I look like every day, you know? And I don't want to have to, I just wanted to stop putting on makeup just because I wanted to cover up my skin and not because I loved it, you know? Now that I do it just because I enjoy it when I put it on, and I like the way I look. I like the way I look both ways. It's a lot easier, and makeup is fun for me again. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab my blush. So I cannot find the blush I normally use, which is the MAC blush. It's a MAC blush. But I'm gonna go ahead and just use very little bit of this, what is this? The Beauty Bakery Snackaroons blush in Heartbeats. It's very pigmented, so I use very little bit. Just want a little bit of color on my cheeks, just a little definition, just to kind of separate my face. Oh my gosh. Again, you on there? Ooh, okay. Ooh, all right. I also need to shop around for more blush, just more like nice everyday blush again, because I'm running out of that other blush. Okay, that's fine. There you go. Look at that beauty, that difference. This is a drugstore brand mascara. It's the Essence mascara. Yes, what's wrong? I'm gonna put on our lip gloss. I normally just wear Vaseline or lip gloss. Nana? Let's focus for you guys. There we go, I think. Ah, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay, here it is. Here's the finished look. I got my hair in. I haven't worn these clip-ins in such a long time. Honestly, when was the last time I wore these clip-ins? Probably earlier this year when I was doing auditions before I got my new headshots. That's the last time I wore this hair. But it is still going. I do need to get some new ones just because these are looking real sad, but not bad that I can't wear it. But anyways, this is the finished look. Again, this is my everyday simple makeup when I wear makeup. Again, I'll list all the products down below of what I used today, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Guys, thank you so much for watching my simple everyday makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you guys want to see my skincare routine, just let me know down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can know when I post my next video, whether it's a long form video or a short. If you guys did enjoy this, please go ahead and hit that follow, subscribe button, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook, where you guys can see more of me every day.
I'm 47, whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one.